Yeah. That was rubbish.
Upload this onto YouTube.
I will if you do anything impressive. That's not impressive, that's rubbish. Ow! I think you take after your dad when it comes to coordination and athletic ability.
What?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
That's not very impressive.